So I was wondering how we can get from one city to another city, or from one country to another country, or from one continent to another continent. There is one way out of different ways. One way I want to show you, and I think it would be fun, is to create an airplane to go and travel around the world. Woo! Let's try to find Europe. Let's try to find Europe. So this airplane is going to land in Europe. Maybe in France, maybe in Belgium, maybe in Netherlands, maybe in Luxembourg, or maybe in England or Ireland. Uh-oh, let's see. Be careful with the castles, airplane. Let's try to create one airplane for you guys. So friends, I want to show you how to make a nice airplane so you can fly around the world. With your airplane, you can go country to country, or you can go to continent. This is one way you can go, but you can find other ways to go too. So here, well, I'm gonna get my favorite color first, which is green, and we're going to place this paper. Gonna fold it, and we're gonna put the two tips together, and we're gonna make a triangle. Look, two triangles, one triangle, another triangle. Now I'm gonna fold one triangle in one side of the paper, and I'm going to fold the other side of the paper. This is so simple to do. Now you can fold the two sides in the middle, and you make sure you make the lines well. Now you got this, and now I'm going to fold again one side, and then the other, and I have my airplane with my favorite color to fly it outside. Let's go fly it outside. Now have fun with your airplane. Let it fly.